Hey Divas, hope you're all doing great and wish you a very happy new year. This is my first video of this year, so I'm really excited for that. And I'm also excited because this video is in partnership with Neutrogena. They kindly sent me this much stuff to try and review and share my thoughts on. So I tried on this very easy and effortless like holiday glam makeup look. You can try. So I'm really excited because this is my first time trying Neutrogena makeup products. I have tried their skincare products and I like them very much. So in this video I will share the tutorial of this look along with like review of the products I'll be using and the swatches and all the details regarding them. After trying their like makeup, I'm very like interested to go on and explore more from their range, mainly the healthy skin range. And because it's like the makeup you can use like every day, your skin looks like very healthy, it looks like your skin but better kind of look. So before moving on to the tutorial, I have one more important thing to mention, and do visit neutrogena.com. They have a 25% off coupon code for you. You can get 25% off on all Neutrogena makeup. So the coupon code is healthyskin25. So today I'll be doing a recreation of Isa Gonzalez red carpet makeup look, which you can see here. And this is a metallic bronze eye look, easy effortless glam makeup. So they have curated some other makeup looks which are perfect for like red carpet, and they have also Nicole Kidman and Kerry Washington makeup looks. So you can try out all the makeup products if you want to make that look happen. And I think this is a really cool idea. So today I'll be trying out this look, and they sent me all these products to create this makeup look, and I will share all the details like one by one. I'm going to start with Healthy Skin Primer. It has got SPF 15 and has antioxidant benefits. It's thin in consistency, makes the skin smoother, and applies and blends it very nicely, gives a like healthy glowy finish to the skin. And without setting spray, it helped to keep my makeup on for 7 to 8 hours. It didn't hide my pores very nicely but did make my skin smoother. Coming to foundation, it is Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup, has got SPF 20. They sent me 3 shades, so I'm going to swatch it out for you. The shade 70 is my closest match. I was really impressed with the foundation. It made my skin look healthy and it was smoother. It was very easy to apply and blend. It gave a medium coverage to me, but if you have less skin blemishes, it may give you a full coverage. And it is very like comfortable to wear, lightweight. It stayed on very long for 7 to 8 hours. My entire face looked the same after like long wear, except my nose area, which started getting oily after 4 to 5 hours. So for me with combination skin, it will need a touch up. Now coming to Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Concealer, I've heard like rave reviews about this, so I was very excited to try this. It is very creamy, glides on very smoothly, and I tried with the corrector. It applies very nicely over it as well. It will give a medium to full coverage depending on your dark circles. And now I'll be swatching the shade medium, which is the perfect match for me. I used it for the whole day and it didn't settle into my crease, and I did use with a setting powder and looked very natural on me even after like 7 to 8 hours of wear. Did not feel like heavy or cakey at all. It contains hyaluronic acid, hydrates the skin nicely, and this is shade deep. So this is slightly deeper for my skin tone to use as a concealer, but I think it will be a great contour for me. And the center of the concealer has a hydrating part which is like white, you can see it. So though it is a stick concealer, it is very non-drying and very comfortable on skin, and I really love it. I just love the product. Moving to next, which is Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector. It has got SPF 25. The brush applicator makes it really easy to do precise application. So this has got antioxidants including vitamin E, wild chamomile and soy, and it's clinically known to depuff and treat the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. I've got a medium shade here, which is my perfect match. And I also use this as a concealer even over my eyelids, as a base for my eyeshadows and to highlight my face as well. Blends in very nicely. Now coming to Healthy Volume Mascara, the formula has a touch of olive oil and sweet almond which protects the outside of the lashes. The brushes grabs and coat even the smallest lashes. Gave a nice volume and kept my curls for a long time. Lashes looked longer and the wand helped to separate the lashes and there was no clumps. Coming to their long wear eyeshadow plus built-in primer. So this eyeshadow has a built-in primer to help prevent creasing and smudging with long-lasting colors. And this squad is mink brown and the formula is infused with vitamins and skin nourishing conditioner for the delicate eye area. So I'll be swatching out all the shades for you. The eyeshadows are very soft and smooth and it is very easy to apply. They blend in nicely with the other shades present in the palette. They applied nicely with brush or finger and they stayed on long time without even using eyeshadow primer, so which was like great. The shades were not visible too much on my skin tone and personally I would have not picked this quad for me because of the shades. Colors like this don't show up like nicely on my skin tone. They look like very natural and very hard to like see, but the overall quality of the eyeshadows are great. They stay on for a really long time. Maybe I would have picked some other quad and like little bit more warm tone colors which I love and show up nicely on my skin tone as well. But if you are of like fair to medium skin tone, you will definitely love this quad. Coming next to bronzer, so this was like in this condition when it arrived, so I was like very sad, and this was packed in very nicely though with bubble wraps, but still the product was broken and all over the place. But I did fix it, and let me know if you would want to watch that video where I fixed it from looking like this to looking like this, then I will post it for you. So this is enriched with vitamin C. The bronzer was very smooth in consistency and applied very nicely. The shade was also right for me. The shade I got is 30 Sunkissed and I think it will be perfect for like medium and fair skin tone girls. It really gave a very natural look on me and I used it to contour my face. Coming to their healthy skin blush to brighten up those cheeks. The shade I have is 20 Vibrant. They also contain vitamin C and they blend in so nicely and smoothly. The shade looks so natural on my skin, gives a very healthy flush to my cheeks which I really love. This is definitely going to be my everyday wear blush and it will suit like from fair to tan skin tones. It will look great on them. It did stay for a very long time. Even at the end of the day I could see my blush and I just love this shade and the overall quality of the blush, a must have for me. Now coming to the last product, which is Moisture Smooth Color Stick. I have heard so much good stuff about this, so I was really excited to try this. It not only will give color but hydrates the lips as well. It has got fruit extracts along with mango and shea butter, and the balm like formula glides on easily. It is easy to apply on lips even without using a lip liner. The shade I got here is 20 Fresh Papaya and this is kind of like everyday wear lip color for me. It has got like very tiny shimmer particles and the color don't show up too much on my lips since I've got pigmented lips. So now let's move on to the tutorial. To start, I'm applying my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer. This is my current daytime moisturizer because it's very lightweight, absorbs in skin instantly. After that, I'm going to apply Healthy Skin Primer. I'll be applying Healthy Skin Foundation. I'll be using my Real Techniques makeup sponge to apply it. It blends in very nicely. I'll be taking my regular corrector and apply it under my eyes to color correct my dark circles. Then taking the Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector, I'll just apply it over my lid to get rid of any discoloration, brighten it a bit and act as an eyeshadow primer. Then use the Hydro Boost concealer stick under my eyes as my main concealer for my dark circles. Very creamy, applies very smoothly, and on the other side I have not used any corrector, so you can see the comparison. Gives a medium coverage without a corrector, but I can see some darkness, so I prefer with a corrector. After that I'll set my concealer with translucent setting powder. Then take the lighter more shade and apply it in my inner corners to brighten it a bit and also highlight under my brows. Taking the topmost shade, I'll apply it on my crease. It's a nice like transition shade. The colors are like very subtle and almost not noticeable on my skin tone. Taking the darker shade, I'll just make a V in my outermost corner, trying to make a smoky effect. Then I'll just blend it slightly to smooth out the edges. Then taking the metallic bronzy shade, I will apply it all over my lid using the fingers. And I want a little bit more intensity in my outermost corner, so just applying the darker shade again and blending it out. I'm also taking the lighter most shade, applying in my lower lash line just till half. Then taking the darker most shade, applying it in my outermost lash line till the center. Then I'm taking my gel eyeliner pencil and just tight lining my upper lash line. I'm using the black shade here to give a little bit more depth. I'll move on to curl my lashes. Apply Healthy Volume Mascara. Take Healthy Skin Blends, bronzer, and just contour my face. Taking Healthy Skin Blush and add some color to my cheeks. Then to finish, I'll apply Moisture Smooth Color Stick on my lips. The shade is very subtle on my lips since I have pigmented lips. So to add a little bit of depth, I'm going to line my lips. And that's it, my super easy effortless glam look is done. All the product information and all the details I'll provide in description as well, so definitely check that out. I tried a number of like makeup products, and the one factor which was like consistent among all the products I tried was like comfort. All the products were like very comfortable to wear, and some products I was like very highly impressed with, and I'm glad I could try their makeup because I think some are going to be a staple in my makeup collection and in my everyday or my travel makeup kits. So that's it for today, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the bell button to get notified of my new videos, and please subscribe. I will see you soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.